One and 1/2 cup sugar, 3/4 cup water. Cook on medium flame until thickened. Set aside. 1 cup clarified butter. Cook until it melts. 2 cups chickpea flour. Cook on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. One cup desiccated coconut. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 1/2 cup almond powder. Mix well. Add sugar syrup. Cook on medium flame until sugar syrup dries. Cook until it starts to separate from the pan. Grease the tray. Garnish with almonds.